So we're getting a P16E2 error, or 3. It's basically a communication line error. And what that causes is it causes all the trouble codes that come up on the screen. Even though brakes work, even though the VSA system works, even though hill start works, and my seatbelt, of course, sometimes works, or all the time works. But yeah, and there's more lights. They just haven't came on yet. Once I start driving, they'll come on. But one thing that's weird too is when you start the car, that was EPS system. If you listen, I'm gonna actually start it in accessory mode without my foot on the pedal. So that's waking the system. The system's waking. Now if I push it again, accessory mode's gonna go on. And just listen to the horn. So the horn's going off too, which is so interesting. And I'll go ahead and start it. You know, you got a good start from the starter, and the battery has enough, you know, juice in it. But it's so interesting. There's a Duralast alternator. We got a Honda alternator that we're gonna be putting in. But yeah, such an interesting situation. The dealer said it's because it's not an OEM alternator. That's what they told me. On paper, they said that on the forums, they're only on the Honda forums, they're only able to find that it's just the fact that it's an aftermarket Duralast alternator, even though it produces, you know, correct output. But we'll see. We're gonna repair it and see if those issues are still there and if it solves the mysterious communication line error. So. Alright, we got the new alternator in. Still got the lights. I heard on the Honda forums, I can't recall what forum, but if you drive for 5 minutes, then it'll go off. So we're gonna do a drive. I will say when I started it, the horn did not go off. So that's a promising sign. We got the Honda OEM alternator. So, oh man, I hope. I got a wholesale price, $699 later. We'll see. Alright. Supposedly on the Honda forums, after a short drive, you should be able to, you know, the system's reinitialized and then you turn it on. Oh, the horns are there still. No. The horns are there. I guess that was not the solution. We'll see. We'll see in the coming days, but it doesn't look like that was the solution to the dealership's claim, but it's okay.